1976.
In life, the most memorable moments are shared experiences. The most lasting memories are singular, unique, once in a lifetime. They are the stories that are told at every event with your family and friends. They are the moments that everything else is measured against. The moment you enter our terminal, you know this isn't just a helicopter ride. This is an experience. As the helicopter lifts off and the wind hits your face, you know this is different. The excitement only grows as you weave your way over and around some of the most iconic landmarks in the world. New York offers a unique energy and a different look throughout the course of the day. From the serenity of sunrise to the energy of New York City at night, from the Statue of Liberty to Central Park, FlyNYON offers an intimate view removed from the hustle-bustle of the city, above the noise. If you're looking for a memory to share with your friends or family, look no further. Let FlyNYON give you an experience that will stand apart in your mind for years to come and have you wanting more the second your flight is over.